90% of ice chewing girls are actually suffocating for oxygen.
What? I thought I was just weird.
And it's the number one sign of low ferritin. Same with your restless legs at night. Your brain is trying to keep you awake because you don't have enough iron stores.
Okay, that explains the hair loss too. What do I do?
You need to fix your ferritin. Okay, I am almost 3 months on this one and honestly never felt better.
I need to get this one too.
Just comment ferritin and I will send you the link, or you can find the link in our bio as well.